What's good? Good morning, everyone. It's a new day. It's a brand new day. Looking all fresh. So yeah, back at Lobos HQ. Today we're going to the racetrack. Whoop whoop. There's a drift event happening there. The cars are actually part of the show, which is interesting and cool. So yeah, it's quite cool. So stay tuned. We're gonna just wait for some people and then we're gonna roll through to the track. So yeah, sweet. Yo guys, so we just stopped to get some fuel. I was like empty. And I don't feel like Cody feels like pushing my car today, so we're gonna just...
I played paddle yesterday.
Yeah.
My like bum cheeks and legs are stiff.
So I'm just gonna get some breakfast. Yeah, number one. If you know, you know. South African, bro. Breakfast is all you need. But yeah, we're nearly there. I'll just pick it up when we're at the racetrack. Unfortunately, we don't get pit lane access. My car doesn't look cool enough according to Zelda. I don't know how it's cool, but we'll get there one day. So let's just go pay and sweet. Now we go straight through. Can you organize street tickets there? They're probably waiting for Greg. So guys, we arrived, but I think we're gonna wait for Greg so we can give him his ticket. But we caught up with the gang. So what's up to Mr. Revive Lobos himself?
You're waiting for the fucking slowest guy here. Great.
With the slowest Hilux.
Yeah. There you go.
There you go. So what's up to the married couple?
My name's Jeff.
My name's Jeff. But yeah guys, it's gonna be a fun day. It's always a fun day on the track. And yeah, just gonna have some breakfast and then just take it from there, I guess. But yeah, enjoy the footage for now. I'm just gonna kind of get some cinematics for what's happening now, but it's not gonna be cool. It's just gonna, you know, give you the look and feel of what's gonna be going on throughout the whole day. Cool. Enjoy. Has arrived, so yeah, we go in. This is the clutch kickers, guys. The guys that are giving the
Call away.
yeah.
That's the call, yeah.
Yes. You can win that car. VIP parking. There's the boys going to park. Some of us don't have nice cars, man.
Some of us got Chevrolets.
But at least our girl at Swartkops hooked us up with VIP parking. So you need to know people, bro. I feel like royalty when we come in. Shit. This is so nice. It's $15.
Give me pounds, give me dollars, give me francs, yeah. Straight to the bank. Fuck your change, cause the product is a thing. Melomaniac, call me.
There's Zelda's. This is the S13.
Ain't no way around it, sign a check and pay. They already miss my name in every rank. Now they looking for my name in every place. These labels won't sign me, man. What a
Wise fam, bro.
no discussion, no introduction. Attitude was fucking, then I started hustling. They used to hate my moves, now they start to love it. And I ain't really got big jacks, where the money?
There's the missus herself.
Gotta pay me.
Sealed it.
Know my niggas on the road,
Good.
get it. It's a statement.
Okay.
Got a vision. Did it all by myself.
How's it going?
Submissions. Look, I
Is
got
it busy?
it. You never see this.
It's a nice turnout. It's
Like it's bleaching.
gonna be fucking lacquer. I see it.
I got 'em. Yep. Yep. Yeah, she tripping. She don't know she fucking with King Wavy. Wave. Yeah, I know something only I know. I got superpowers, but that's something only I know. What I want is mine if I say it in my mind. Now teach you if I had time, yeah. Do I got the time? No. Shit these niggas dream about is not even a milestone. Call up Dr. Seuss, I think they running out of rhymes now. Jugging and finessing, we've heard that 100 times now. Niggas keep repeating, they so like they in a vine, in a vine, in a vine. Oh, why they gotta lie though? Say them diamonds dancing, homie, we know that it's rhinestones. I don't got a Rari, but my whip is really mine now. I don't got no daddies, but I know my bitch is foreign though. I'm from California, you can tell just by my Vans. My niggas about it, you can tell just by his stance. Don't throw no subliminals or he'll be throwing hands. My bro play baseball, I hope you know how to catch. I just heard my cue, ooh, they know I'm up next. Curly headed cute, she sent me the text. Yeah, I've been the dude since I made a YouTube. Fuck 1,000,000 views, need a view somewhere floating like I'm Mewtwo. Zoning in California, on a mountain, higher. With my main thing, she keep me grounded. Don't test her, she with the extras. Read all about it, you bout it. I really doubt it, I really doubt it. Zoning in California, on a mountain, higher. I'm with my main thing, she keep me grounded. Don't test her, she with the extras. Read all about it, you bout it. I really doubt it, I really doubt it. Haircut like the 80s, yep. Don't need a Mercedes to maneuver Uber everywhere. Bank account like Wait, let's not even take it.
Say it again. Say it again in front of Greg as well.
I arranged for Marius to sit in his car. I just lost all my words.
Shame, I feel sorry.
My dreams are coming.
But anyway,
Just go look at that R8. Great.
wait, I want to see him air out. He's going to air out.
So we're gonna go check out the R8. Greg looking like a father as usual. He's for pay guys. He's not wearing his white one, so that's surprising. Yeah, you see. Guys, what I'm about to show you is just so sexy. I mean, just wait for this fucking B-roll, bro.
Zoning in California, on a mountain, higher. With my main thing, she keep me grounded. Don't test her, she with the extras. Read all about it, you bout it. I really doubt it.
As usual, the BM boys are always gonna hate. They can't appreciate true beauty at
You know
its
what this gonna
finest.
be? The M5 CS.
Oh my god. I mean, I'm not gonna hurt his feelings, but Greg is such a BM boy that they fucking flagship R8 BM is an i8, which is horse shit. Horse shit.
I'm just trying to piss you off. Because you still can't find an Audi faster than an M5 CS. I just want an Audi.
Just look at this, my smile. Jesus.
Also put some shit on.
ABT, oh my god. There's the ABT lip on. This is very nice, guys. Can't look at my boy's bunda like that. I can sense it.
I haven't left the...
Yeah. Shut the f.
Stop it. Get some help.
Greg, you can't even light to 6. Ooh, that G on. Greg, updated version of your car. Guys, so we're in the better version of Greg's car. But Greg's car is still nice. Content. Yeah. This looks nice, bro. So this is basically a base model, just... I wouldn't be surprised. So Greg, this is basically like base model from the factory, just to promote it. Like it doesn't come with all the fancy things because they're gonna... How's it been? How are you? Good. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Times Live. Oh, they all have...
They each have one, they call guys.
Kasi jammer manier.
They call media guys and they basically give them each one.
So sponsor.
And then every extreme festival, whatever the event is, they say,
Yeah.
listen, come out, take the cars out.
That's Rory's mom's company, eh? Next stop.
Was. If that was my mom's company, I wouldn't be driving a fucking Sancro.
About to get an experience of a lifetime because of Zelda. She organized me to sit in her.
What setting was the
is an experience in a lifetime. I am so freaking grateful. Thank you, Zelda.
It's a pleasure.
Can I just
Pleasure.
thank you, the girl that hooked it up. Ugh. One day.
One day.
One day.
One day.
That was an experience in a lifetime. I'm so grateful. Good, this is the one that I got to sit in. That's the R8 I got to sit in. Oh, dude. You see my car? It's the one that I got to sit in. That's R8. Like, dude, when you get in, it just tucks you in, bro.
Yeah, I think holds you nice and
Dude. Oh, this Cayman looks so nice. Cool kids, myself and Rory, as usual.
prime lens photo time.
I'm gonna take some photos while the other kids just be boring. Then Rory gonna go and find some cars to shoot. Fun times. Are you excited for Super Drift?
100%, bro. So the last time that we were here was 2015.
Jeez.
So
This is
and
my
it's been a few years since we've actually gone to watch Super Drift.
yeah. This is my first drift event, so quite excited. As you can see, the boys are busy preparing. The car apparently crashed last night. I'll try see if I can get the footage from Zelda and put it into the vlog. It's racing, I guess, because racing. Shit like that does happen. Sure, guys. If you're enjoying the vlog so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a like, share, all of them things. I look like a freaking taxi driver with my beanie, but it's for the vibes. Sweet.
I'm a gay boy.
Zoom into him. He's a duck nine. Hey, Dom Nine. Hey, Dom Nine. You see, he looks. Just chilling. It's been a good day. Just say what's up to my people. Greg, give us a young rave. Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. It was a long day. I'm a bit tired, but yeah, hopefully the footage that I got today is cool and all of that. Didn't really shoot as much as I wanted to, but it was like all over the place. But thanks for watching. Keep it lacquer because I'm always lacquer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Soon.